If you're having trouble switching to certain Facebook pages, try the following solutions. First of all, you need to go to Facebook, log into your account, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, go to Pages, go through the page settings, and if you're not listed as admin, ask an existing admin to upgrade your access. Then close the app completely on your device and reopen it, and also try logging out of your account and log back in. You can also try clearing the Facebook app cache. For that, tap and hold the Facebook application and then tap on the eye icon in the top. Scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache. For iPhone, you can uninstall the application and reinstall it. Now update the Facebook application. Go to Play Store or App Store according to your device, click on the search bar and type in Facebook. And if you see an update button, something like this that is highlighted in blue color instead of open, tap on it to update it to its latest version. You can also download the Meta Business Suite from your App Store and attempt to switch pages using the app, and then access the Facebook on your browser as well. If Facebook has disabled or restricted the page, switching may not be possible, so to check for any issues, you can go to Page Settings and go through every options that is available. So by following the simple steps, you can resolve the issue, and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.